How to delete and turn off secure storage on Messenger. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to delete and turn off secure storage on Messenger. Secure storage is a feature in Messenger that helps protect your end-to-end encrypted chats. End-to-end encryption means only you and the person you're chatting with can read your messages. So to delete and turn off secure storage on Messenger, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Under Manage Secure Storage, you'll find the option to delete and turn off secure storage. Tap on Delete and Turn Off Secure Storage. A pop-up will appear explaining what delete and turn off secure storage means. Tap Continue to confirm. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted and turned off secure storage and taken back control of your encrypted messages. And this is how to delete and turn off secure storage on Messenger. If you have any questions about deleting and turning off your secure storage on Messenger, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.